My name is Corey Jacoby, and I'm the lead interior designer of our company, which is called Jacoby Company, and we offer custom window treatments. Today, we take you to a beautiful home in Westlake Village that is a Santa Barbara style home that's absolutely fantastic. We've been working here for about a year. This particular room is one of my all-time favorites of all the homes I've done because it's warm, it's inviting, it's library-esque, it's almost when you want to nestle in with a glass of wine and get a good book and just sit down and read. And the homeowner and I were thinking about our inspiration for this room. And our inspiration, believe it or not, was the carpet. He had a carpet swatch, it was a little bit about this size. And so we said, how can we make this room fantastic? So we talked about built-ins, we talked about the paneling that he was going to do, because he's also very talented, as his wife is lovely. And they have such a design plan themselves. I was kind of the part of the puzzle that just fit in. So when we talked about the window treatments, we wanted the window treatments to just kind of give that little bit of a kick that we needed. So we picked the black and white check fabric, which is fantastic, on the black wrought iron, which you can see is a very tight fit that my husband very talentedly installed. He's a really good installer. There's not many left like him. And so he helped figure out how to make this happen. So the room came together. I can tell by the smell of the fireplace, they spend a lot of time in here. And speaking with them, they spend a lot of time. And their guests almost say this is their favorite room. So let us come to your house. Let us help you get that favorite room with that little inspiration, whether it's a Pinterest picture or it's something you found on Houzz or it's just something that you're thinking about. Bring the idea to me, let me think about it, and let me help you make your dreams come true. Call Jacoby Company. We would like our family to become your family. We've been doing it a long time and we want to be your friend. So call us. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.